everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Lover by Nature. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So you guys haven't seen me in a couple of weeks. Well, actually it's been like more like a month now, but I finally had my daughter, and I ended up having to have an emergency C-section. So that's why my video is a little bit late. I am going to be doing a video talking about the whole experience with my emergency C-section, but that's not why we're here though. We're here to talk about my hair. So I am officially, is it 5 months locked or 4? I think it's 5. So we're officially 5 months locked. We are through the, yes, so we are through the halfway point of me locking my hair again the second time around, and I am thoroughly enjoying the process. Yeah, so the things that may have changed a little bit since last month is that I did go ahead and end up braiding the rest of my hair down, were the parts where they were coming unraveled, because I felt like half of the lock was coming unraveled, and so I ended up just braiding all that back down. Other than that, there hasn't really been much changes. I did go back through and combined a few more, but I don't think I am anymore because I like the way that the size that they are now. My base is good. So I just wanted to show you guys some things that are a little bit different about my hair in certain spots. So I'm looking this way because I have a mirror here too as well, but alright, so this lock here, I don't know if I want to call it a trouble lock or not, but it's doing good. But at first I was going to combine it because I thought it was either too small or because I don't know, I just felt like it was too small or something. But it's really not. It's actually budding. So that's why it looks like that. So at first I thought I was going to have to combine it, but my base is actually strong. So these are actually buds on there, if you guys can see it. And I believe that my daughter is waking up. I was able to add this little lock here. Hold on, y'all, let's press pause. Alright, so yeah, my daughter kind of woke up. Anyways, so I was able to make this little lock. So far everything's been going good with my hair. I haven't started experiencing any postpartum shedding with my hair yet, but I've heard where some women started during the 6 weeks after the baby, and then some have it after the 6 weeks passed. So I'm making sure that I am taking my prenatals just so that I won't experience this postpartum shedding from having my daughter. But as far as like with that one lock that I did show you guys, this is basically how a lot of my locks are, where they're thin and then they're budding. So I have a lot of locks like that. Like this one is doing the same thing. I just have a lot of them that are doing the same thing. So again, my little one is trying to wake back up from her nap. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys another 360 of my hair so you can see it. And I will see you next month for my 6 months lock update. There probably will be a change because I think I'm going to dye my hair. Yeah, so anyways, see you guys go.